Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 100 Institute Road. This is a 4-bedroom mid-terrace property. And then moving into the property, and we've got a vestibule which opens into the hallway. And on the left-hand side, we have the first reception room, which has an inset gas fire. There's also a large bay window here to the front aspect. And then through to the second reception room. We have a log burning stove as the focal point to this room, and then a view to the rear of the property. And going through to the kitchen, really nicely refitted, and also benefits from integrated cooker, induction hob, fridge freezer and washing machine in here as well. And there's also a useful understairs pantry. And through to the ground floor bathroom with bath, wash basin and toilet. And we have a built-in cupboard which houses the gas boiler just there in the corner. And on to the first floor, we have the landing here, providing access to the 3 bedrooms and shower room. We've also got the stairs going up to the 4th bedroom here. And then just making our way into the 1st bedroom. Nice wooden floorboards. Good sized room, having 2 windows here to the front aspect. And then bedroom 2. And then we have a 1st floor shower room, nice fully tiled shower cubicle with mixer shower. And then the 3rd bedroom at the back here. And onto the top floor where we have another bedroom, window to the front aspect. Okay, and then just moving outside, we have an attached brick outbuilding, useful for additional storage space. And then the garden is very much laid to lawn with fenced boundaries. that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then do give us a call as soon as you can, and we'll hopefully speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.